there. So every morning for 2 hours, at least that's the goal, I will be reading, making notes, taking notes, etc. That's what I have my morning reserved for. And I want to show you something pretty cool. I think it's cool. You'll decide for yourself. So I turned a snippet of a book that I'm currently reading. It's a process to generate ideas for online writing. And essentially in the book, there is a process that I turned into a chatbot, more or less, in a couple minutes. And how I did it was essentially just took some pictures, like the boomer that I am, of the book. Obviously, if you have PDF, it's going to be much faster. And essentially said, hey, this process, help me run through this process according to the rules in the pictures that I've attached. And then I forgot to attach the pictures again, just being a tech boomer. And then walk me through the process and ask me questions, right? So essentially, it's from Cole. What's his name? Nicholas Cole. I think you might know him. He's pretty big on Twitter. He's Quora writer. And yeah, now essentially I can just run through the process together with Claude very easily. It will ask me anything I need to answer first because there's some custom inputs, and I can use this to essentially run this exact process took me half a minute or 2 minutes, right? Thought it was cool. I think the process you can apply to anything that you have in text or anything, where there's a process you want to run, but you're lazy like me and you don't want to write it all down and you want some crutch like Claude to assist you. All right. Talk soon. Cheers.